The block casting includes an integral oil cooler housing, oil pump housing, water pump volute, and coolant bypass passage. Each engine block has the engine serial number stamped directly on the block for improved engine identification. The block design also includes a skirted block for superior strength. The bored piston cylinders are located 4.72 inches center-to-center spacing with 0.71 inches spacing between cylinders. This provides room for a dry liner if needed for service. Piston cooling is provided by piston cooling nozzles fed from cast-in passages in the engine block. Most fittings in the block utilize metric straight-thread O-ring fittings for the lubrication and fuel access points. This type of fitting offers better sealing capability when compared with tapered pipe thread fittings. The ISB engine has a new thicker wall camshaft bushing installed in the bore in the front of the block. ISB pistons contain 3 piston ring grooves and are available with a single Nyresist insert, dual Nyresist insert, or with a dual Nyresist insert and an anodized surface. The piston can also be gravity cast, squeeze cast, or squeeze cast fiber reinforced. The piston and ring designs depend upon the horsepower rating for the engine. The top ring of the piston is a keystone design made of ductile iron. This ring allows less carbon buildup and reduces the oil consumption. Each piston utilizes a 10 mm top ring location to reduce soot formation and oil consumption. The middle compression ring is rectangular and made of gray iron, or keystone-shaped and made of ductile iron, depending upon rating. The keystone of the second ring allows for less carbon buildup and reduces ring groove wear. The ring pack is also horsepower dependent. Each of the piston designs contain a centered shallow combustion bowl for improved combustion and reduced thermal stresses. The anodized coating and fiber reinforcement on the piston face and bowl are used in higher horsepower ratings, which improves piston durability. Other features common to all of the piston designs include a high swirl combustion bowl, free-floating piston pin held in by retaining rings, and gravity cast or squeeze cast aluminum bodies. When replacing a piston, always check to be sure the same piston design and dimensions are being used to ensure correct piston protrusion. The new connecting rod design is stronger than the one used in previous B-series engines. The crankshaft is a forged steel integrally balanced unit. Internal cross drillings supply the connecting rod bearings with oil. The crankshaft also has an engine speed signal indicator ring located between cylinders number 5 and 6 that is used to detect engine speed and position. The new 12 mm main cap screws provide the clamping force required to preload the cap screws and the cap-to-block joint. The gear train on the ISB engine utilizes a wider gear housing that has been redesigned to change the mounting location of the air compressor drive gear.